Hi guys, and welcome to Domestic Diva Home channel. My name is Sonja if this is your first time stopping by. Today, be prepared to get super extra motivated from me cleaning this huge mess. We have been away and I was getting all my crafts done and DIYs for my other channel. So this is where I usually work, and I wanted to get them all done before we left. And things got out of hand, and then I came home, had some laundry to do, and just catch up from being away. So things got neglected even more and just dumped down here. So I needed to get things done and get this cleaned up before I got started on any other new projects. This video is also in part of a challenge hosted by Nicole from Nicole North Garden, and over at her Home and Garden channel. She has several of them, but she is hosting this on that channel, so I will have a link to it down below, as well as the playlist for everyone that is participating. So put on some TV, put this on your TV and clean along with me, or just watch it to get motivated. There's tons of motivation for organizing and cleaning here. Most of the time when things are brought from upstairs downstairs, they just get dumped into this area, and then I have to go put them away where they belong. I also have a puppy who likes to, at this time, rip everything apart, like paper and things like that, so there's always that mess on the floor. I was doing some front porch redecorating just before we left, and I brought all that stuff down here as well, so that's what I'm cleaning up now. I did a little Dollar Tree shopping for some supplies for the upcoming DIYs, and I also did some thrifting, so I needed to put that away. Do you guys have any suggestions on how I can organize my DIYs? I usually have these buckets that I put all my upcoming supplies for the upcoming DIYs, but over on my cubed shelf, I started putting boxes and labeling them for DIY. So as I go and get my supplies, I put them in corresponding boxes. I was thinking about getting a smaller cubed shelf where I could put these things on, and like maybe one that has 6 or 8 cubes, so that way I can just organize my DIYs for, next week or two. Let me know what you guys think, or if you have any suggestions or ideas how I can organize this better. So I use an old makeup box storage to keep all my tools in it. I have all of my screwdrivers there, my X-Acto knife, my small hammer, my wire cutters, leveler, measuring tape, all sorts of stuff in there. Speaking of DIYs and things DIY related, if you do not watch my DIY channel, and that's not where you came from, I do have a DIY channel that I've had for a couple years, and I create lots of home decor DIYs. I upcycle furniture, do trash to treasure. So if this is something that interests you, make sure you go check out that channel. I also have a cooking channel that I have separated from that DIY channel just recently, just like this one. And I share recipes, what's for dinners, I do cooking challenges. And so if that's something that interests you, I will have all of my channels linked down in the description box. And if you are on Instagram, I would love it if you popped on over and follow me on Instagram. I put all these 3 channels together and share life in general on Instagram. So I use this table for all of my DIYs. I also have my vision board there as well as a cork board where I put up all of my calendars and upcoming ideas, upcoming projects, and I use clipboards to keep all that organized. And this little box holds all of my card cleaning system. If you're not familiar with card cleaning system, make sure you check out the bowl full of lemons. She has everything you need to know about card cleaning system. And this is my office desk. So beside YouTube, I also run a home daycare, and I need some sort of an office space for all that I do. And this tends to end up being more of a dumping zone than actual office space. My office space ends up being armrest of the couch, but nevertheless, I do have this desk in case if I ever do want to use it as an office. So besides this space being my craft room office space, it is also my home gym, my son's home gym. I use my gym every day, and now it always seems to get messy when I do DIYs because I spread myself all over the place. So here it is, all nicely tidied and cleaned up, and it just feels so refreshing and inviting to come back and make a mess again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure to check out Nicole's channel as well as the playlist link down below. And until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to press the subscribe button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.